really made this LYS video is because of these. I was browsing on QVC and I saw these, and they're eyeshadow palettes. They look just, let me show you what they, and they have 2 colors. These are the colors, and I will put the names of them because they're small and I'm 49 and I need my reading glasses. That's right. But let's open them up and see. And I'm going to, that's right, I have on my reading glasses. This is called the Empowered. Yes, this is the Empowered eyeshadow palette. And this is what she looks like. And you have 3 mattes, 3 shimmers. And they're very pretty. And I'm going to go in with my left eye with this one. And then the second palette that they have, this is in the color Unapologetic. And this is the back. And they look just like, they look the same basically as their powder and their highlighters. The blushes are matte, so the powders, the bronzers, the highlighters, they are in the same packaging as the eyeshadow palettes, and this is what she looks like. So let me show you both of them. This is Empowered and Unapologetic, and this is what they look like. Empowered, Unapologetic. And I'm going to put those on, I'm going to have 2 different eye looks on. So let's get started. So I'm going to do Empowered on this eye, on my left, and then Unapologetic on my right eye. So you can see how both of the palettes look. But before I do that, okay, I also got the 2 lip sets that they were selling for holiday, and one is chocolate cherry and the one is hot chocolate. And this is what their lipsticks look like. They have leather, and as you can see, they get dirty. They're rose gold and pink, faux pink leather, and of course the Delta sign or the triangle. This is chocolate cherry. This is the color. Start with this color, and this is in the color, this is in the palette Empowered, and I'm going to start with I'm going to do my left eye with this one. So Hi everyone, this is Ma Keyma, and I am here to give you my small review on the 2 eyeshadow palettes from LYS that I picked up from QVC. And they are in the colors Unapologetic and Empowered. And this is Unapologetic. It's the more colorful one. It has 3 mattes and 3 shimmers. And and Empowered is the more neutral, more everyday one. It's more the mauve tones. Once again, it has 3 mattes and 3 shimmers. They are pigmented. They go on very well. I like the palettes. My only gripe is that if you have a larger brush, it's not gonna, you can't use a buffer brush in there. They're gonna be way too, sorry, phone messages. They're gonna be way too big to get in there. That's my only, well, they perform well. They're really good. No problems whatsoever with that part. This is the face powder, the everyday face powder that they have. And this is Empowered. They're the same size. They're in the same packaging as well. Palette. This is the eyeshadow palette. And once again, this is the blush. I like how they have the blush and the eyeshadow palette in different, they're the same color, but one is matte, one is shiny. The shades are beautiful. Like I said, they performed really well. Just the pan size and being able to get the brush in there, and you would have to use a thin brush. I mean, these can fit in there, but that's my only problem. And different packaging and a tiny bigger, so you can distinguish them from each other. Like I said, I love LYS. The foundation looks good on the face, and I was a little scared at first because I thought that it was too light. I have 2 colors. That's the story of my life, having to get 2 foundation colors because, you know, lupus and the face and the neck, and it's a whole thing. And also what I picked up is their 2 holiday sets with their 2 lip glosses. They have that's my puppy down there, hot chocolate and chocolate cherry. Very good. This is chocolate. I have on the color chocolate cherry. I love the formula of the lipsticks and the lip glosses. The lip glosses are not sticky. They feel very good. The pigment is there. One swipe pigmentation with the lip gloss. I really love it. You get 2 pieces for $19, which was a steal. And I might get backups. But you get 2, you get a lipstick, a full-size lipstick, and a full-size lip gloss for $19, and that is unbeatable. The lipsticks packaging is absolutely so cute. It's like a faux leather. It's like a faux leather, and then on one side, and then it's the rose gold packaging on the other, and of course that triangle or delta signal. Yeah. Maybe she's a Delta, you know, the Divine 9 and all that stuff. But maybe she is. That's what when I first saw this, that's what I thought. But like I said, I absolutely love LYS, female Black-owned business, and I really love all the products. And this was my first time trying the LYS, the natural finishing spray, and this has the most gentle spray that I personally have ever used. And this is how it comes. And like I said, I love the packaging. It's too cute. This was, I believe, $19 as well. Very reasonable. That is one reason why I absolutely love LYS. They have reasonable prices. Even I happen to check out their website, and I might go there too, because they had some beautiful brushes that were available for holiday, and a few more sets. I do not have the mascara. They do have an eyebrow pen, an eyebrow pencil, and I'm looking at that. I found that on the website. I don't know if they have it on Sephora or not. They have the eyebrow gel as well, but I do not have that. But this is the video, and those were my final thoughts. But to wrap it up, everything was wonderful. Just the packaging. That's all. Like maybe a different packaging, a slightly bigger pack, because they look the same. They're the exact same size. And as far as the brush sizes, you have to use a small brush to really get in there. You can't use a large brush, So that's the only thing. But besides that, I mean, the eyes turned out absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I have no problems whatsoever with my eyes. They turned out beautiful. The pigment is there. I absolutely love them. But I love everything that I tried today. And I so appreciate that you are watching this video. I ask that you don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until the next time, YouTube, I ask that you stay safe, keep your loved ones close, and remember that you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. With that being said, until next time, YouTube, God bless.